Welcome to day 1 of this guided meditation for stress reduction. In this session, we will be exploring the power of your breath as a tool for relaxation, stress reduction, and inner peace. Before we begin, find a comfortable and quiet place where you can sit or lie down without any distractions. And when you're ready, close your eyes and let's begin. Let's start by taking a deep breath in through your nose, hold it for a second, and exhale through your mouth with a sigh. Allow yourself to settle into your body and let go of any tension or stress you may be holding on to. Now, bring your attention back to your breath. Focus on the sensation of the air as it enters and exits your nostrils. Notice how the air is cooler on the inhale and warmer on the exhale. Allow yourself to become fully present in this moment with your breath as an anchor. As you breathe in, feel your chest and abdomen expand with air, and as you breathe out, feel them contract. Follow the movement of your breath with your awareness. With each inhale, imagine that you're inhaling calmness, relaxation, and positivity. And with each exhale, imagine that you're releasing tension, anxiety, and negativity. Let your breath be your guide as you breathe in calmness and breathe out stress. As you continue to breathe, see if you can deepen your awareness of the breath. Notice the rise and fall of your belly with each inhale and exhale. Now, let's focus on counting your breaths. Inhale for a count of 4. Hold for a count of 4. And exhale for a count of 6. Repeat this cycle of breath for a few rounds. Counting your breath can help you to concentrate and bring your attention to your breath. As you continue to breathe in this pattern, visualize yourself in a peaceful place. It could be a beach, a forest, or any place that brings you a sense of calm. Imagine yourself surrounded by nature and feel the tranquility that comes with it. If your mind starts to wander, acknowledge the thoughts. Then let them go. Bring your focus back to your breath and the peaceful place you're visualizing. Remember, that it's okay to have thoughts. It's a part of the meditation process. Just bring your focus back to your breath. Now, let's bring some movement to our breath. Inhale and hold for a count of 4. And then exhale with a long, slow sigh. Repeat this for a few rounds, feeling the release of tension with each exhale. As you continue to breathe in this way, bring to mind someone or something you're grateful for. It could be a friend, family member, pet, or anything else. Visualize this person or thing in your mind and feel the gratitude that comes with it. Allow yourself to feel the warmth and joy that comes with gratitude. Take a moment to appreciate this feeling and know that you can come back to it whenever you need it. Use your breath as an anchor to ground yourself in here and now. Inhale deeply and then exhale with a long, slow sigh. Release any remaining tension or stress with this exhale. Take a moment to check in with yourself and notice, how do you feel? Do you feel more relaxed, centered, and calm? As you continue to breathe in this way, you might notice some physical sensations in your body. You might feel a sense of warmth, tingling, or lightness. These are all signs that your body is relaxing and releasing tension. As we come to the end of this guided meditation, slowly open your eyes. Take a few more deep breaths and bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Notice how you feel in your body and mind after this practice of breath awareness. Remember that you can return to this practice anytime you need to feel more centered and grounded. Thank you for practicing with me today.